Good morning, everyone. Hi. Today I make iron. I'm busy today. I have a small I have to make iron. Later I have to go out. It's iron time. I hope all is okay. Have a nice day, everyone. I make iron. While I'm waiting of the washing machine. Washing machine is not finished yet. I wash also laundry. Washing and iron today. Later I go out. Outing ya. Very busy always, everyone. Always busy. Life is go on. Always busy. Ay, every day. I am always busy. Oh, oh, oh. Please enjoy it. Enjoy it, everyone. Busy, busy, busy. Oh. Ayun to everyone. Make iron today. Later I have to go out, yeah. When the sun will go out, yeah. It's still always cold. When the sun will not go out, yeah. Always cold. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, ay. Tired, yeah. So many things to do in the house. Many, many, many. Go, go, go. That is my life here. Many things to do in the house. Oh, oh, oh. Laban lang tayo. Tawo ni siya. Laban lang tayo sa buhay. Ay. Laban lang tayo sa buhay natin ya. Daming gawain. Grabe. Walang katapusan ang trabaho sa buhay. Ang gawain sa buhay, walang katapusan. Ito na po. Walang katapusan ang gawain sa bahay. Puti daming gawain. Tired, daming gawain, walang katapusan. Nako. Buhay talaga. Buhay nanay. Go, go, go. Buhay nanay, go, go, go. Ang daming gawain. Ito, ang sabon. Asan naman ito yan? Iyang kasunis nga. Nahangon lang ito utawon. Ito yung ta. Diyos ko God. Laban lang tayo sa buhay. Very boring here. Boring. Parang makita niyo po kung anong ginagawa ko. Ito na. Nag-aayor na naman. Ay, nag-aayor niya. Ay, may ka-iron. Washing and cleaner on iron niya. Yeah. Go. Nothing choice. Fight. Very boring, yeah. I do not own music. I don't know where we are copyright, yeah. It's not allowed. Without music, yeah. It's not allowed, the music. I do not make music with my film, my plug. Because it's not allowed plug with music. Copyright, yeah. It's copyright. Without, yeah. Facebook is okay. But in the YouTube is not okay. With music. There is the copyrights. That's why I do not use music. Very boring here, boring. You cannot hear something, yeah. Just only our neighbor is very noisy because you'll make it the rope. Make the rope with solar system he has, yeah. To save electric energy. Take off the cover of the rope, yeah. There is the workers, yeah. I'm just finished coffee, drink coffee. Now I have to make iron. After the iron, I have to, the washing machine maybe is finished. I have to manghalay. Iwan ko po kung anong Tagalog manghalay. Ay, uphangka here in the next one siya. Ay. Daming gawain sa bahay. Oy, walang katapusan gawain sa bahay. As a mother, do what you like in the house. The work in the house is walang katapusan. Is no more end. Always. Is always the same as usual. Hindi po wala po akong upload yesterday because I have the problem of the mic is not working. Without voice, I erase. Without voice. Ay, Diyos ko. I think the mic is on. It's not on. I said to my son, you have to help me because in 3 seconds we have to on. It's not on. is not on, yeah. I iris, yeah. Iris. Very nice. The lake of uh the lake I been yesterday, very nice. But without boys is not allowed. No more boys, yeah. Parang amang walang boys, walang background, no. Sabi ko ng anak ko po, iris to iris. I think the mic is on, is not on. When I arrived in the house, I look the my YouTube is not in, no more voice. Parang amang, parang hindi po, walang marinig. View lang po, view. Sayang. Sayang talaga ya. Very nice the place we've been yesterday. Very nice. I was very enjoying it. I was yesterday in Halwiller Sea. The lake is very nice. The problem is the mic is not on, off. I'm always talking. I don't know it's on or not. I have the mic, new mic, yeah, microphone, but it's not on. Oh, sayang. Next time again. I have to go many lakes here, yeah, lake. I have to go to the other lake, so yeah, the big one, yeah. I am very angry. My God, it's not on the mic. It's not on. Sayang. Nice the views there, yeah. The view there is very nice, yeah. With sheep, yeah. The problem is the mic is not on. Off. Oh. Walang marinig. Sayang. Sa susunod, i-check ko na kung on or not. I-check ko na sa susunod. Before I on my camera, I have to check before I on, yeah. Sayang, it's very nice, the view. The view is so nice, yeah, the lake. Yeah. Very nice, yeah. Hi, glitty time. I have to make iron. The iron. It's not good. Different here because washing machine here is needs to make iron. Needs to make iron because the washing machine is very strong. It's not good when my children is use without iron. My husband, we need to make iron, yeah. Clothes, iron clothes, yeah. We need to make the iron. I have to make iron, yeah. Every week. I have to make washing, iron, cleaning, cooking, garden. Not yet the garden. It's still cold, yeah. But soon I have to go in the garden, yeah. Cleaning before I make it plant, yeah. Inita, very hot. Life here is not easy. You can see what I will do every day, but I do not make every day vlog. Just only sometimes, yeah. It's tired. I need to relax as well. Smiddy, tired. I need to relax. Fight lang po tayo sa buhay natin. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. It's no choice. No choice, yeah. Makita niyo na po kung ano po ang ginagawa ko dito. Ito na po. Makikita niyo na po. Daming gawain po, walang katapusan. Makalabad sa ulo. Kahidiik. Magkahidiik ang trabaho, daming gawain sa bahay na walang katapusan. There's no more end. No end. Always go, go, go. Daming mga tao po sa atin, sa tingin la po is, ang buhay dito is hindi po mahirap. Oy, sa totoo lang mahirap talaga. Dami po. People think about, maybe my husband is foreigner, I am not here, it's not easy here. You do what things, every work in the house, you have to do it, yeah. It's not easy. Many people think about, we are not rich. We are poor. We are not rich. I tell you, yeah. I am not rich. I am poor. It's not rich. Not like to the others. The others, yeah. It's not like. We cannot compare to the other people's, yeah. It's different life. Each people, each family, it's different. Different life, different problems. It's not all the same. It's not always the same, guys. Everyone is not always the same. I saw the there I saw my relatives there. I saw that he said to me, kumusta na daw ang dato nga parente. Who is the dato? Oh my God. I'm not a dato. She means, how are you? My relatives, you are rich now. No, I am not rich. I will tell you the truth. Yeah. We are poor. You think about I'm rich? No. I just only smiling, eh. They will say, yeah. Sana all rich. Ik ben niet rijk. Rijk mean ist. Rich. I don't have just only enough eating every day, 3 times a day. That is enough for me. Yeah. Dili na ko kabuton ang langit nga dili maabot. we cannot compare to the others, yeah. Kasi to me, kumusta naman ang aking parente nga dato. Oy, pagmata diha, oy. Kinsa butaw dato. wala mo kay baon sa akong kuan dire kinabuhi. Tingnan niyo po sa YouTube ko. Look at my YouTube. I am not dato. I am not rich. Hi. I'm not rich. Guys, relatives, friends, family. My family knows that I am not rich. Mabasa ko po lang, ma-read ko na doon sa comment section. Comment lang kayo, basahin ko po. Pero hindi ko po i-mention ha nga pangalan niyo. Makikita ko po sa comment section. I am not rich, everyone. I'm just only a simple and fun family. Just only that. Just only a simple family. That's why we have to take care each other before you have to send the message. You think about it, yeah, because you don't know what is the life you cannot see every day. My life here you cannot see every day what I have to do. It's not easy as a mother, as a housewife. Is not easy. You think about I'm rich. No, I'm not rich. I'm just only a simple. Go to my new YouTube channel. Look there what I am doing. You can see it, yeah. Every people is not the same. Every family is not the same problem. It's not all. It's not always the same. Guys, dili na ko kabuton ang langit, guys, kaya di na maabot. Dili maabot ang langit. I am not rich. I'm just only a neutral. They will call here in Switzerland is neutral. You cannot see a rich people here. No, not like to the Philippines. The others is have, the others is no. I cannot compared. I cannot compare, yeah, to the others, yeah. It's simple only. Simple is the best. Simple but terrible. Now that's true. Nakatawa na lang ko, guys. I'm smiling na lang. Kumusta naman ang parinti na kong dato? Uy, dato ba? Dato sa mong bangag. I am not a dato, ay. You cannot see with me here what I am doing. Look in my YouTube channel. I'm not dato. I'm not rich. You can see there what I am doing. Dili lang ako i-mention ang ngalan. Totoo, pariente. Pariente, I'm not a dato, pariente. It's not a dato, it's pariente. Ich bin nicht reich. Ich bin neutral. I am not rich. Important is a good health for me. Yeah. That is the very important. Yeah. Unsa man ang dato kayo kuwang kulang kag kalipay. Dato ka on din ko is not happy, unhappy. That is not good. I am not a dato. No, I am not a rich. I am content to my life, to my pamilya. Content. What I have, what we have. Is not dato, no. We are not rich, everyone. Sa gaingon na ano, dato ako, hindi pa ko dato. Baka kayo ang dato. Kumusta naman ang parinti na kung dato? Baka kayo po ang dato. I'm not a rich. Maybe you are the one who is rich. I am only a poor person. Sa ako nagiingon guys, everyone, dili na ko kabuto ng langit. Kay dili na maabot. Si Lord ra. Si Lord ra na, everyone, si Lord ra. Dili na to kabuto ng dili maabot. Lisod kabuton. Mangarap ka sa buhay maging rich. Sa akin lang po is ayaw ko po. Piliin po ako ng normal lang po. Hindi lang po rich. Rich na is unhappy, is not happy, is not good. You have all, you cannot bring. When you are in heaven, you cannot bring the just only enjoy it, yeah. Kung dato man siya, din ako is, kung mayaman man siya, din ako ay mahirap, okay lang po. Hindi po tayo mag-compare sa iba. Kaya, mag-unsa nang madato ka, nga di man madala nimo. Hindi na madala kung papanaw ka sa buhay, hindi po. Hindi po madala ang mabuti po, masayahin. Hindi po hindi po madala. Everyone, pag mayroon po ako, makikita po nyo. Makikita nyo po kung mayroon po ako. Mag-share po ako, pero sa ngayon, wala pa. Sa ngayon, wala. Start ko lang to. Pero hindi po ako mangarap. Yang sa akin lang po ay lingaw-lingaw lang ito. Kasi boring po dito eh. Para lang po ma-enjoy tayo sa buhay. Sa buhay natin. Hindi po ako hindi po ako magiging rich, no? Hindi po ako mangarap ng ganyan. Huwag mangarap. Darating at darating ang panahon nga kayo ay hindi mahirap. Si God po ang bahala sa lahat. Kasi po, siya po ang nagdala ng power natin. Everyone. Kaya, hindi po chili nga mukha lang dayon. That's why we have to be take care each other. Take care each other as other. For me, it's just only simple. Simple and fun family. Go, go, go. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. No saan rito mag-enjoy. Enjoy it, everyone. Just only that, yeah. Ato lang ipagawas sa ba. Ang ato ang nakita. Ang ato ang nabasa. Pero sa totoo lang, I am not rich. I am not rich. I'm just only a poor girl. Diyos ko. Kumusta naman ang paryente na akong dato. Ganun saan ako na dato, oy. Everyone. Ay, Diyos ko, everyone. Ganun saan ako na dato. Nadato ako, everyone. Wa na. Pamilya ako na ako, everyone. Katapos ng pamilya, ang iba, nangangailangan. Daming tao nangangailangan. Hindi lang po ang pamilya ko po. Lahat. Tayo po lahat nangangailangan. Lahat po. Daming problema sa buhay. Si Lord na lang po ang aking tawgon. Si Lord na lang po ang aking sampiton. Siya na lang po. Bahala sa lahat. Siya po. Lumalapit po tayo sa Kanya. Wala pong iba. Siya lang po. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo sa sa mga message po niyo. Alam ko po may basher. Alam ko po. Pero okay lang po sa akin. I-start ko na po ito. Alam ko pong may mga basher po. Padayon lang po kayo dyan. Kaya ako din, padayon ko po dito. Continue ko. Continue life, yeah. Kaya kailangan po tayong mag-ingat po sa mga sinasabi ng iba. Hindi po nila alam eh. Hindi nila alam kung ano pong buhay dito. Kaya para malaman niyo po, tingnan niyo po ang vlog ko. Doon po sa vlog ko. Makikita niyo kung ano po ako dito. Sa totoo lang po, hindi pa ako mayaman. Sa nagsabi po, sorry po, baka kayo po ay mayaman. Ay, hindi po ako nangarap ng ganyan, mayaman. No. Walang pangarap si Lisa na mayaman, hindi. Ayaw ko pong maging mayaman. Okay lang po sa akin, normal, simple lang po. Baka the Lord is knows all. But I'm not mayaman, I'm not rich yet. Kaya nagpa-vlog po ako kasi po para malaman po niya kung makikita niya po ako sa sa vlog ko. Sa vlog ko po. Ito po. Ito na po. Ito po ang sinasabi niyang mayaman. Mayaman sa tingin lang. Pero sa totoong buhay ay hindi mayaman. Hindi po ako rich. I am not rich. I will tell you the truth, yeah. I am not rich yet. Look at that, what I am doing. Every day I will do something, yeah. You don't know because you are only there. You cannot see it. what I am doing every day. No. That's only Lord knows. Yeah. Sorry everyone, nagpahungaw lang sa sinasabing mayaman. Sinong mayaman natin? Oy, baka kayo ay mayaman. Mayaman po kayo. Bigyan lang yung bigyan niyo po ako pag mayaman po kayo. Share the blessing. Ako wala pa akong blessing. Wala pa. Hindi pa dumating ang blessing ko. Baka soon. Maybe soon is my blessing. Yeah. Who knows? God knows. That's only God knows. Yeah. Fight lang po tayo. Ay, Diyos ko God. Sa tingin ng iba ay ako ay mayaman. Sana all mayaman. Ay, sana all na lang everyone. I am not rich everyone. Sorry. I am not rich. I'm not the rich person. I am the poor person. Ay, 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 ay. Rich pa ako guys. Madami ko nang natutulungan mga nangangailangan. Hindi po ako rich. Sa totoo lang. Kaya sa nagsabi ng ako ay mayaman, baka kayo po ay mayaman dyan. Hindi po natin alam sa isa't isa. Si Lord lang po ang nakakaalam sa mundong ito. Maybe you are the one who is the rich madam. Madam Auring. I am not the rich madam. I am only a neutral, normal life here where I live. Yes, only that. Yeah. Go lang tayo. That is my life here. Always go. No surrender, go. Grabe naman po ng mayaman. Ay, ang totoo lang po. Hindi po ako mayaman. Ay. Tapos ako i-off na ni. Off na. Hindi nila alam ang buhay. Ang buhay sa mahirap. Tiyaga lang po. Tiyaga. Tiis lang po tayo. Magtiis lang po tayo. Guys. Tapos na po akong magliti guys. Tapos na po akong mag-iron. Kami hindi pwede ayon guys kay silk. Madaot ni siya basta i-ayon. Masira. Isayaw na nato guys. Mag-dance na lang ta. Ay, Diyos ko God. Hindi niya alam guys ang buhay dito guys. Sabi niya rich daw ako. Naku po buhay. Dito. Wala po kayo makita ditong rich people, no? Wala po kayo makita na rich. Ang mga rich ay mga iba yan. Iba yan talaga. Hindi po kagaya natin ano, mahirap. Hindi po kagaya namin mahirap. I have to arrange everyone quick, ha? Wait everyone, I arrange ya. Later when the sun will go out, I will go out as well later after lunch. After lunch, I have to go out, yeah. The sun is not yet, yeah. I go to underground. I have to manghalay, yeah. Manghalay. I have to manghalay. So, for the first, I finish iron. Now I have to make halay. Maybe the washing machine now is finished, yeah. I have to look. Here is off all or not. Because it's very hot, this one. We have to take care, yeah. We have to take care, otherwise we have to correct that is off. Now the sun will go out later, but after lunch I have to go. After lunch I have to go. I have to check everyone out downstairs. Maybe the washing machine is finished, maybe. Enjoy it, everyone. You have to on the light. It's dark here. Please enjoy it. My box is not yet finished. Soon is finished. Ay, balik mo sa number 21. Washing machine is not finished. Igubak mo siya sa number 21. Oy. Maghuwat pa, maghintay lang po ako na 21 and then mag-uphang kaya maghalay. Ay, Diyos ko God. Ba, kubak sa 21, and stop just 21. 21 minutes. I have to wait. The sun will go out today. The sun 16 degree today. Wait everyone, we eat a little bit banana. Cheers everyone. Thirsty. Ay, Diyos ko God. Thirsty. I have to eat one banana, yeah. One banana, everyone. I have to eat. Ugasan na no sa usa to kaon kay daghang tatsa na ya. Daming tawang patatsa. Banana. Banana ya. A little bit hungry ya. May tawag pa. Eat everyone, eat banana everyone. I buy yesterday, this one yesterday I buy. In the store, German store, ya Aldi. Eat everyone. Snack. Snack at 10 o'clock. Wait everyone, banana. Next month is April. After that, May is my birthday. Okay lang po sa akin everyone. Pag walang gift, importante po is good health. Good health, important. May 26 is my birthday. Eating gold, everyone. Eating gold. Golden. Out of the calendar, everyone. It's not sweet. It's not sweet 16. My age is out in the calendar. So, okay. Important is good health. That is a very important. Thanks for the above. For another year. Soon. My birthday is May 26. Getting golden my age now. Coming ya soon. Cheers everyone. Thirsty now. I'm just finished iron. The iron very hot, yeah. That's why I'm very thirsty, yeah. Needs to drink water. I have to look the calendar. I have to look my cell phone. What is the next termin? April 24, my terminal of the teeth. After that, May 27, terminal teeth again. So many appointment, yeah. Appointment, yeah. Then I have to call to my doctor. They controlled me every year. I'm okay or not. I have to make termin again, appointment again. You send me a letter, yeah. I have to go for every year, yeah. Every year control for the health, good health, yeah. Ay, 15 minutes pa I wait up downstairs, yeah. Then I make upangka. Manghalay. Manghalay si Lisa. I have to make halay. Mag-upangka. Goals that means here is upangka is manghalay, yeah. Wait, everyone. I go in the toilet, everyone. I do not bring here toilet. I make this. Well, I have to make its nail. Yeah, just go everyone. I'm sorry everyone. Yeah. Pagkatapos uminom ng tubig na malaking glass na water, ay mangihi sa CR. Ngihi. Nahinata everyone of hot water, ya. Kay after iron is very hot and the water hot water ayun siya. Nita. Ang init, ya. Kailangan init na mainit na tubig ang hinaw, hand wash hands, ya. Kasi baka po pag cold po isa po tayo magkurog-kurog. Iwan ko anong Tagalog kurog-kurog. Ay, Diyos ko. Now is go out the sun, yeah. After lunch, I have to go out, yeah. After lunch. When my daughter will go in the school, I have to go as well, yeah. I have to go as well outing, yeah. Kailangan po tayo araw-araw daming drink ng water. Water resistant. Huwag po kayo uminom ng Coca-Cola every day. It's not good for the health. Because the Coke also have sugar also, yeah. Water is bitter, yeah. May kula po ako sa bahay. I have a cook also, yeah. But it's not every day. The children cannot sleep when they will drink in the evening. It's not allowed in the evening drinking cook. Not allowed. I have a cook because if I have visitor, I can offer drinks, yeah. But it's not that for my kinder every day, no. Because sometimes I have a visitor come here, the friend of my husband, yeah. We have to offer a drinks, yeah. Water resistant is better every day. You have to drink 1.5 1 liter over you have to drink every day. Water resistant, yeah. Every go outing with me, I bring water, yeah. In my task, I have water always. Especially the weather now, the sun will go out. And then here in Switzerland now is the dust from the South Africa. They will bring here. The wind they will bring here. That's why a little bit dusty outside. A little bit dusty, yeah. The lake also have many dust, yeah. Yesterday I saw. The window also with me, I have to clean because the dust from South Africa, the wind will bring here. That's why a little bit foggy. Whitening outside, even have a sun will go up because of the dust, yeah. The dusty from the South Africa, they will bring the wind here, yeah. I heard in the news, yeah. That is the Sahara, yeah. Sahara. Dust, yeah. Guys, I have to wait, guys. I don't know how many minutes now I wait. I have to make a kaya I have to make the, what's that in Tagalog? Manghalay is clothes. Maybe it's finished. Washing machine so, yeah. I have to go back again. I have to go down again in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, yeah. I hope it's not go back again. Sometimes washing machine is very strict. You will go back again, yeah. I hope it's okay now. Tired to is waiting and waiting, guys. I'm tired is always waiting, yeah. I hope today is 16 degree. I will go out later. 16 degree today. After lunch, I have to go out, yeah. Please enjoy it, everyone. Watch to my new YouTube channel. Simple and Fun Family. Very quiet here, everyone. Quiet. Just only noisy the people is working, yeah. Very nice my video yesterday, but it's no more boys. No boys. Sayang. That is the nice lake I've been. I was there in the lake of the Halbiller Sea. But is the voice is not on the mic, yeah. Sayang. Sayang. The mic is not in on. I think it's on already. When I arrive, when I check, oh no, it's not on. Ay, just go God. Next time I have to try before I will start, yeah. Before I start the camera, I have to try. It's on the mic or not. Because yesterday is not on, yeah. I'm always talking but it's not in on. Sayang nga. Nice the video in the leak, yeah. My husband said, it's okay, no problem. We go again. We go again. I don't know when. Ay. But next time maybe we will go to the other lake, yeah, maybe. But first I have to try the camera is on or not. Because yesterday is not on. Sayang. It's very nice. 1 hour over my video, but the problem is it's not on. That is the problem, yeah. I forgot to on. I make already 3 second because they say that you have to make it on 3 second, yeah. 3 second, but the problem is not on. I charge already that, yeah, but it's not on. First time I use that, it's not on. I tell to my son, better I do not use the mic, yeah. It's better without mic. Without mic, they cannot hear the you cannot hear the correct because distance the my cell phone, but they can hear if they will make volume. They can hear also. The problem is not in the. It's not on the mic, yeah. Sayang. Nice the view in the lake. Ay, I erase na lang guys. I erase everyone, yeah. Sayang, over 1 hour I make it talking without voice. It's not good na. Not good. It's not on the mic, yeah. It's okay when the mic is on. It's not on. It's like amang. Cannot hear, yeah. The voice, no voice, yeah. Kaya nga. Pero sa susunod, next time I have to try it. I try it. I have to on correct and I try before I will start, yeah. Before I will start the camera video, I will try. Because it's when I arrive, I have to check there is the voice or not. When it's no voice, no more loud, it's not good, no. It must be. I hope you all, everyone is okay. I'm okay here. But you can see what I have to do every day. You can see, look to my new YouTube channel. You can see it what I have to do every day. Enjoy it. Just only enjoy it, yeah. Enjoy it. Enjoy it life. That is my life here. Yeah. Simple life only, everyone. Simple only. I have to look. Maybe it's finished now. Look at that, oh. There is the sun in the door. Very nice. The sun today will go out, yeah. Look again, everyone. Downstairs in the underground. Go back again, I heard. But sometimes the washing machine is very straight. They will go back always, yeah. Always, sometimes they will go back. Very straight, yeah. What is that now? Go back again. 9 minutes again. It's not finished yet. Nine minutes. I have to wait 9 minutes, yeah. That is for the 9 minutes means they make it the dry a little bit the clothes. You see the trocknet. I don't like to wait 9 minutes downstairs, no. Here upstairs, yeah. I'm talking here in the kitchen. It's not there because many people working there in the neighborhood, yeah. We sit down, so everyone, I'm tired now. Sit down a little bit while waiting. Washing machine, yeah, not finished. We have to enjoy it. After iron, I have to manghalay ko everyone, yeah. Upangka. After lunch, I go out, yeah. Yesterday, I don't have upload yesterday. Ay, Diyos ko God, the mic is not on. My God. Sayang. Sayang. Very nice, the view there, yeah. But I have to check before I own the camera, yeah. I have to check is on the mic or not, yeah. Nine minutes, so I wait, yeah. 10:25, I have to go down, yeah. I'm tired. I'm tired because every day I have to wake up 6 o'clock. I prepare for a breakfast ke children, yeah. At sa nagsabi po, there is also, I read, she said, Lisa, you do not eat the rice. No, I will eat the rice. But the breakfast, no rice, breakfast, no. Children doesn't eat rice in the breakfast. Different here is not the same in in Philippines. Morning, lunch, and evening is rice. Here, no. Excuse me. We will eat rice, but not always. Here is many kind, pasta, rice, mais. Rice and mais ang ako ang gigamit. I will cook sometimes rice and sometimes mais, yeah. But it's in the morning we do not eat rice and mais. We will eat that sometimes in the evening because my children, my daughter like to eat rice. My son doesn't eat rice every day, no. Pasta or bread. My husband also not every day rice. No, not every day. My daughter like to eat every day, but it's in the evening. But they will eat what I have to cook, but I do not cook always rice. Sometimes only. I have a stack of rice, yeah. Rice is life, but it's not always. I will cook sometimes only, yeah. That I will process only that for the breakfast. The donut on the other bread with sweet. On the pizza. Sometimes. That's only for a breakfast. That's for my children, yeah. For my daughter and my son. But they doesn't eat rice in the morning, no. It's not that same in the Philippines, no. They will eat that in the evening I will cook for sure, but not always. They like pasta, bread with salad. But I will cook, no problem. I have a stock. Rice is life. Favorite of my daughter, rice, yeah. If I cannot cook rice, is asking me, Mama, I like to eat rice. So I have to cook. But I have to cook in the small only, not the big one. I have rice cooker, guys, very, very big, yeah. I do not use that. Sometimes only if I have visitor, I will use only a normal caldero, yeah. For the 1 cup. It's enough. But for big one, big rice cooker, I do not use this only if I have visitor. Because I am the one who eat, and my daughter also. I make it fried rice. Sayang itapon ang remaining. That's why I have to cook only the small only. But sa nagsabi po, Lisa, hindi ba kayo kumain ng rice? For sure. Rice is life. You will eat, yeah. My daughter's favorite rice, yeah. Me also, but it's not every day. It's not every day. Here is salad and bread in the evening, or sometimes is pasta. It's no problem. My husband also will eat also rice, no problem. But my son he will eat only bit silly, small only. He doesn't really like, just only small. My son is different, yeah, compared to my daughter, yeah. Later will eat bread and pasta, but the rice he will eat small only. My daughter and me is the same. No problem. She eat dry fish, yeah, no problem. But I cook that not always as well. Once a year. I have a dry fish there in the frozen, yeah. No problem, I can cook, yeah. But it's not always. Bahoan ang anak na kong laki. Sabi niya, very baho, mama na. I can cook what I like, no problem, yeah. No problem. It's depend what kind of foods I have to cook for every day, yeah. Every day. Nice weather now. Maybe my husband will make later Serbilla sausage. Serbilla on bratwurst maybe. Because I have a sausage here in the rep, yeah. And salad and bread. Enough. It's not like that. In the Philippines, we have everyday rice, no. It's not always. My children will eat, my daughter and son will eat pasta and bread on everyday salad, yeah. This is the style here. It's not everyday rice, no. I will cook if I like, yeah. If my daughter will like, Mama, I like to eat rice, and I have to cook, yeah. Because I like to use the mais, yeah. Mais kanon. The mais is small only cholesterol, yeah, than the rice. The rice is pure cholesterol, yeah. You have to take care also, yeah. It's not finished, but back na po siya number 9, I think. Naguba tingala yung washing machine na, oy. Iwan ko po, baka po na nakapot pilig akong washing machine, or gubak na po siya number 9. Gubak na po siya number 9 kay sukad nga akong giun ang carpet dire, nakuan siya nagubak number 8. Go back na pages number 8. Apa din siyang ipa-check up sa isang tao mauli niya. Normally is finish na this one. Is not. Ubak na pages number 8 ya. Something is wrong of my washing machine. Sukan nga giun ako ang carpet. Nga kaning karpita na ako ang giun siya dito kay parting abuga. Sukan nga ako ang giun siya is getting have a little bit problem ya. I put already the baygon for cleaning, but it's always the same. Ay, Diyos ko God. It's early to cook, everyone. I have to make my daughter pasta, I think. Or I have to make, he has a sausage already there. I have to make only the, maybe small pasta. Pasta with sausage. Maybe. Dili mo ako madala everyone ug magupangka kung manghalay. Nakapot ng washing machine oy, back man oy. Puya ni. Tired no, always waiting. Later everyone I have to cook ya. Pay maglungag na lang kog mais no. I have here I have a shells ya. I still have a time. Gusto ko kumain ng mais kanon. Very boring man ya. Mais na kanon. Magdungag na lang po tayo everyone. While I'm waiting washing machine ya. Time very fast. The time is very fast ya. Gusto ko kumain ng corn. Mais na kanon ang gusto ko. I like the corn ya. Agtakan on everyone. Ay, Diyos ko gada, waiting there a little bit long downstairs ya. And I have to cook my muesli ya. Muesli ya. Shells. Kain po tayo tahong. Ano to siya ay sa Bisaya. Kauban siya sa litob. Sa to yung ngalan ani. It's not litob this one. Nalimot kung sa ngalan ni Misil man this one. Misil. Tamislat. Ambot iwan ko kung ano. Lutoon ko to everyone for the lunch. But my daughter doesn't eat this one maybe. Just only me. Very nice everyone this one yeah. Look. Lutuin natin to. Para may ulam po tayo sa lunch. kuya pag lamit daw huwa sa dugay sa ano sa dugay pahawaton. Nagtagal maghintay ay ayaw ko maghintay sa ano, ayaw ko po maghintay sa underground. Buyas Bombay. Luto po tayo everyone. Olive oil. Ako may siya pag-open doon. Ready na to. Kami din siya pare sa kuan sa Shields. Ang name ani everyone here mais the powder ano pulinta. Pulinta ang nala. Pulinta. Namiss ko po kumain ng Shields. That's why ano po, nagbili po ako ng Shields ya. Parang half cook na to eh. Mabilisa lang. Kasi po ito is already cooked. I think half cooked already. There is already onion and garlic inside. I saw. Just only make it only a little bit cooking and then finish. Then I have a pause for lunch. My daughter is sausage. Yeah. She have a sausage. I have to make only 1 liter. Yeah. Make it warm. Luto po tayo everyone. Yan sa natin everyone is the piti. Apa din natagap? Apa din natagap? Luno na natin everyone. Luno now. I put now. Look at that everyone. Mais at saka mais na kanol at saka tamislat I think this one. Kauban is just litog. Shells. Ay, sarap kumain ng parang nasa Pinas lang ba? Parang nasa Pilipinas. Lagyan nating lagyan nating kado ya. Black pepper. Powder, chili powder. Saka aromat. Saka small salt. Small. Hindi ito damihan kasi po baka mapaalat ya. Ito lang po. Cayenne mix. Takpan. Saka ready to eat na 4 liter. At saka ang shells po, pagkatapos ko pong kumain mamaya, linisin ko po para po pang dekorasyon. Hindi po itapon. Para mayroon po tayong remembrance. Remembrance parang nasa Pinas lang ba? Hindi ko po itapon to. Linisin ko po. Tsaka i-dry. Bilad sa init. Pag mainit, bilad. Put outside when it's hot. Linisin at saka ibilad. Wala na. Pahit na. Pang dekorasyon lang. Ito po ang shells ay galing sa Italy. Mayroon naman po galing sa Italy sa department store. Mayroon po. Nakabili naman po tayo dito. Ang kaso lang po dito ay mahal. Grabe, sobrang mahal. Hindi po kagaya sa atin. Dito po ay sobrang grabe mahala. Magtiis na lang po tayo. Sometimes hanggang tingin lang po ako. Sometimes. Pero pag gusto ko po, bili po ako. Para makakain. Ito po I have cooked already. There is already onion and garlic on the spring leaves. Yeah. There is already, it's ready to eat na to. Pero kailangan po nating lutuin para po sure. Kasi po malamig, ayaw ko po malamig. Gusto ko po lutuin. Pero hindi ko po nilagyan ng sabaw ha. Hindi ko po nilagyan ng water. Ganyan lang po kasi may ano na siya eh, may sabaw na siya. Tingnan niyo po everyone. Ito na po ang shells. Luto na po siya. Luto na po. Kain na lang po kami mamaya pagdating ng anak ko pong babae. Lunch time. Sa lunch time. Wala pa, ano pa dito? 11 o'clock pa dito. 12 o'clock pa to siya uwi. Very nice. The smell is very good, ya. Takpan po natin at saka hintayin po natin, ya. Hintayin po natin ang mga 5 minutes at saka i-off na po. Hinaan lang po natin. Hindi na po i-volume. Mahina na ang apoy. Luto na po. Simple lang po ang foods. Ang importante po may makain. Ang importante po ay may makain. So, I have to go down again, everyone. I have to make it now. Manghalay sa ko, everyone. I hope it's finished now da. Mahina itong apoy ito. Kailangan po natin hinaan. Saka ito. Ganyan. Number 3 and number 4 lang po kaya. Kaysa baka po ma-overcook na. At saka I hope the washing machine is finished, everyone. Ay, nakaka-stress talaga pag hindi po na, babalik na naman. Balik na naman siya eh. Number 8. Nako. Something is wrong my washing machine, oy. Later, my husband will look at later. Balik siya sa number 8. Balik siya sa number 9 at saka number 8. Baka po nasira na yung ano doon sa loob. I-turn po ito mamaya. Ya. Hintay ko po hanggang 0. Hindi pa siya na 0 eh. Stress talaga masing-masing pag ganyan. Ay, Diyos ko God, life. Life is life. La 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 la. Life is life. La 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 la. Sayawan lang natin, everyone. Sayaw lang po tayo para po ma-enjoy. Later, I have to move my body. Yeah, move the body because now I'm double body na I have hit. My body is now double. Kailangan po tayo mag-exercise. Ay! Kailangan mag-exercise. Exercise tuwing umaga. Ang gawain sa bahay, marami. Marami po. Later, I do not bring you lang everyone downstairs for my manghalay ko everyone. Dili na lang po kayo, hindi na lang po kayo dalhin doon. Mag-uphang ka si Lisa. Pagkatapos, I have to make it ready the table because my daughter is coming. I wanna say it to everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel that you are updated for the next vlog. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day to all. Bye bye.